Mike McNeil here again with Alcorn Music Studios. Going to do a little lesson here on how to apply paradiddles to the drum kit. So for those of you who've haven't done paradiddles before, it's a combination of combination of singles and doubles. So right, left, right, right is the first part, and then the second part is left, right, left, left. So it's two singles and then a double, and then two singles and a double, but starting on the opposite hand. So I'll play them on the snare drum. And I exaggerated the motion a bit so you can better see what the pattern is. So we're going to look at playing paradiddles as part of a groove. So we could do like your basic rock beat, where we've got bass drum on 1 and 3 and snare drum on 2 and 4. But we could actually play 16th notes between the hi-hat and the snare drum, but play them as paradiddles. And then the left hand is actually going to kind of land on that 2 and 4 backbeat kind of naturally within the paradiddles. So it'll sound a little bit like this. And I'll break this down in a second too. So I added a couple of extra bass drum notes in there too and a little fill at the end. But so all that is on the hi-hat and snare drum, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And then I'm just kind of playing an accent where the 2 and 4 are on the snare drum. And then I just put the bass drum on 1 and 3. And then another thing you can do with the paradiddles is practice playing the beginning note of the first part of the paradiddles and the beginning note of the second part of the paradiddles on your toms. So the first note would be on the floor tom, and then the second, first note of the second group would be on your first tom, let's say. So it would look like this. And that's great exercise because kind of one of the important things that paradiddles do is it helps us switch directions. That double kind of flips which hand is landing on the beat or off the beat and helps us to move kind of laterally on the kit. So for example, if I wanted to move back and forth between different cymbals on the right and left side of the kit, a paradiddle would allow me to do that so that a different cymbal is hitting on the downbeat each time on a different side of the kit. Alright, so I hope that helps get you started on using paradiddles on the kit. Thanks.